Hi folks, this is Murtuza here, and in this video I want to get started by telling you my true story, my journey towards getting started with an internet business, and how I came at this stage, how I came at this place where I'm standing right now, with a smooth functioning business. So my past was not very smooth, and I got started after my 10th standard exam. I got started with a hardware company, domestic hardware company. I did a job out there, but they did not pay me because I was just doing like an apprentice job out there. I wanted to start a hardware business, but my luck was not very powerful. So probably I didn't get started with the hardware business. I didn't get started with that business, but eventually I switched on to a plastic business, and I started supplying plastic bags in all the hospitals in Bombay city. And that business was pretty good, but slowly and steadily it faded out because of the increased competition. So I was out of that business. This is at the age of 15 years. Okay, all these businesses I was doing. Then I switched on to a Herbalife business. It was a network marketing company, but I failed miserably out there. Did an investment of $2,000, but could not survive in that network marketing company. Again, I came out as a failure from that company. Then I moved on to NIIT. I did a software programming, and after doing 3 years of course, I came out, and I was jobless. Actually, I did not get a good job. This was mainly due to my mindset, but it was difficult to get a job. So I landed up in another job in a network marketing company in iFlex, as well as I was in Wipro. Actually, Wipro recruited me and put me in iFlex company, and there I was paid $100 per month. In Indian rupees, it's 5,000 rupees. So it was a nightmare for me there because I was not a specialist in networking, and I was in the job of computer networking. So 6 months I was there with $100 per month salary, and there was nothing left for me. So I went out of that job. So I was continuously jumping from one place to the other without achieving success in anything. Then the best thing which I did is when I joined my NIIT. In the first lecture, they taught us how to use internet, and they told us about Google search engine. And the lecturer told the entire class that whatever information you want on the search engines, just type it out, and you'll get that information on any topic you want in the world. And because of all these frustrations, I was desperate to make money, to get settled. So the first thing which I typed out is how to make money, how to get rich, how to be successful. And my journey on internet marketing was started from that day onwards. And even though I was unsuccessful in all these businesses, one thing which I did every day was that to come at home at night until 1 a.m. I used to sit and read all the sales letters and as to how could I get started with my online business. So this is the best thing which I did. So after all these failures, I finally decided that I want to now focus full time on internet and do my best so that I could derive income out of my websites. So I started my first website, and again a huge failure. It was a squeeze page. I could not drive traffic to my website. It was a disaster. The first website was 5internetmarketingsteps.com, and I still have that domain name. Then I started with the second website. The second website was earncrazy.com, and at that time people used to tell that create a content rich website and you'll get free traffic, and your business will become really, it will flourish. Okay, so I got started with a content website, and 6 months I put on that website. I wrote around 50 articles, did all the stuff out there, and that website again was a huge failure. Second website completely failed, and 6 months again I was nowhere. Then it was around 1 to 2 years down the line. I did not make a single dime. I was just struggling online. Then I put up my third website. Okay, and before I put my third website, I was searching desperately online as to what I should do, because I kept failing from one thing to the other. There was just a continuous stream of offline failures and internet failures for me. Then finally after doing lots of research and studies, I came across these three pillars, okay, of online business. That is, if you want to build a successful online business, you must have these three pillars in place. That is traffic, relationship, and products. And I really went into deep, and I got training from lots of experts, and I did my own research and testing, and finally I got it, that what was missing in the entire puzzle. I was doing things right, but I was not doing it completely. I had something missing. Okay, from the 23 steps I called 23 block formula, there was something missing, in each of the businesses which I was setting up on the internet. Then I put up my third website with all this newfound information, and that website became successful. Okay, I worked on that website for around 1 year, and the website got in around approximately $25,000, and it got more than 100,000 visitors. And the most memorable part is that I got my first check of $24.95 from a bank called Rexsoft, and I was delighted because after years and years of struggle, I got my first check of $24.95. And then it kept going on, and that site made me around $25,000. It got 100,000 visitors, and the most important part is that I got that formula clicked. Okay, the formula was working. That was the biggest thing for me. And I took that formula and I approached corporate clients. The first corporate client whom I approached got approximately 1100, approximately 43,000 visitors, 2,500 inquiries, leads, and 1100 inquiries. Okay, so it was a corporate client, and the testimonial is also right on this page of the director of that company. So that was again a pretty good success, okay, for my first client. The second client was very huge, okay, whom I'm working with right now, and that client is number one in India in hair care niche, hair solution niche, and they have 60 clinics. They are multi-million-dollar corporate client, and when I installed my system on their websites, their business increased by 300%. Okay, so they were getting around 150 patients per month, and as soon as I installed my system, they started getting 600 patients per month. Okay, and 600 plus patients per month. So that was a huge growth for them. Okay, so I used that system in other websites also, and you can see the proof video right below this video. I have put up the proof video so that you can see how the system I am talking about works tremendously well. So this is how I got started online, and these are the struggles which I faced in last several years, and I don't want these struggles. I don't want you to face these struggles. Okay, so but before I end my story, I just want to tell you, I want to give you a disclaimer that my training products or coaching programs which you will purchase are not get rich quick schemes. Okay, they are not get rich quick schemes. They are not any Ponzi schemes or internet millionaire schemes or push button millionaire schemes that you see all around. They are simple marketing and internet business formulas and systems that if you take action, and if you work hard on it, okay, you will grow and succeed. But if you take the information and do nothing with it, obviously you will not succeed. You have to put in efforts initially to be successful. So I cannot guarantee your income, okay, with any kind of training products or coaching packages you purchase from me. The only guarantee you can give yourself is you, okay, by taking massive action on the information which I give you. So with this I end up this story, and let's talk about one of my training packages which I have recently launched. Okay, now I'll be giving you more information about the coaching program which I have recently launched, and in this coaching program I'll be helping you out on one-on-one basis to make sure that you won't build your online business from scratch. So let's get started. The first thing that you will be receiving as part of my coaching program is a complete WordPress blog. Okay, we will be designing your blog and set up the entire WordPress platform for you. Okay, so what you'll be getting is we'll be designing the blog. There are over 300 templates that you can choose from. There are over 300 designs that you can choose from in WordPress, and when you read this page, you'll get a link to see all the designs that we have in place. And these are terrific looking themes, and Now, if you look at this theme, you check out this theme. These are themes which professional designers would easily charge around $2,000 to design it for you. Okay, so we have such professional graded themes that we have taken license so that we can create high professional sites for you. So we'll be building the entire WordPress blog, installing, setup, everything we'll be doing for you, and we will make sure that the WordPress blogs works absolutely smoothly, and we will pick up the theme that you choose from over 300 designs and we will install it for you. The second thing you'll be getting is the graphic designing part, and then the graphic designing, my graphic team will create your header graphic of your blog based on the niche. Okay, in your niche, they will design a header graphic as well as the squeeze page graphic. Okay, so the squeeze page graphic basically is something that you give away for free to your subscribers. So when you have the graphic, it helps in increasing your conversion. Probably you can have a video image or probably an ebook image, a report image. So we will make sure that we will design it for you. Then the third thing you will be having is we will set up your own squeeze page. Squeeze page is something where you give away something for free and in return collect name and email address from your website visitor. So we will be setting up the squeeze page for you. We will be building up the form. We will connect the form to your autoresponder system. We will set up the autoresponder system, which is a 0.5. Okay, and we will be putting up around 5 to 10 emails of your choice in your autoresponder so that the entire machine works absolutely smoothly. So we will have your squeeze page on your website, in your navigation bar out here, okay, in your article pages, so that it looks really good. Okay, so we will be designing this squeeze page for you with along with the graphics as well as the form and all the technical setup part we will be doing for you. The next thing you will be getting is the hosting and domain name. So we will be registering a .com name for you, whatever is the name that you choose for your website, and we will be providing you hosting space so that your website is loaded on one of the fastest servers on the internet, where my own personal and my clients' websites are functioning. Okay, so we will be giving you the hosting domain name so that you don't have to make any other additional purchases once you have grabbed this coaching program. The next thing is that you will be getting weekly training from me. Okay, weekly training for next 12 months. This is a 12 months coaching program. So you will be getting weekly trainings from me for next 12 months, where every week I'll be sending you an audio, video or some text information, a tutorial that you will learn and you will execute it that week. Okay, and then the next week, the next training will build upon the previous one. So every training will build upon the previous one, and the next 48 weeks you will be taking action and you will have a really profitable business running if you actually implement all the training lessons. So you'll be getting weekly training from us and you will be getting a homework assignment. Okay, so every weekly training will include a homework assignment that will give you homework for that week. Okay, so when you get done with the homework, you have achieved one step. You have moved one step closer towards building your online business. So make sure you complete the homework assignments. The next thing you will get is you will get email coaching from me, where you can ask me any questions you have related to the weekly training or related to the website which we have given you, and you will answer your questions. Okay, I will personally answer your questions. So it will be unlimited one-on-one email coaching for next 12 months. You'll be getting plugins. You will install all the important plugins that are required to build a solid internet business. Okay, all the plugins are included and we will be installing it for you. It will include SEO plugins, marketing plugins, and social media plugins, and everything will be installing for you so that your website runs on a peak level. And we'll be setting up the ad tracking system for you. Okay, on your website we will be installing some codes, okay, where each and every component of your website will get tracked. So you will know how many visitors are coming to your website from individual traffic sources, how many leads are you getting from your squeeze pages, what are the conversion rates of your products, conversion rate of your sales funnel. You will determine the return on investment of your entire campaign from individual traffic sources. So these are the important things which you have to track if you want to build a profitable online business. And the ad tracking system, we will get it installed for you and we will teach you how to use it. 2 hours of Skype consultation. As soon as you join the coaching program, you as well as we both, I and you, we both will sit together on Skype for 2 hours, and we will discuss the entire strategy that you have to execute to take your business from start to finish. Okay, we will discuss everything in a step-by-step fashion, and this will give you confidence that you can build your online business, and it will take you super fast, okay, towards achieving your end goal, towards achieving internet success. So this is exactly what we'll be building for you. We'll be actually doing the entire technical setup for you, and plus provide you weekly trainings, give you homework assignment, plus you will be getting my one-on-one help through email, as well as you get one-on-one Skype consultation for 2 hours. So all this you get a one-on-one approach, okay. Means we will be building most of the systems for you, okay. And when you have all this ready, all you have to do is look at the training and take massive action. When you do this, you will achieve success super fast. So with this, here are a few benefits you will get. You will save lots of frustration, okay, lots of time and frustration you will be saving by getting into my coaching program. And the reason is that getting a coaching program and one-on-one help is the most important part. And the biggest mistake I did is that I did not get a coach when I got started, and I wasted huge amount of time and got really frustrated. It took me 3 years to put up my first website ready, and even though I put it up, it was a crap and it did not make any leads, did not make any sales. So it will save huge amount of time, okay, if you work with me one-on-one, because we will get your site ready absolutely quickly, you will start marketing absolutely quickly, and you will move in the right direction. And the same system will be installed on your website, which I personally install for my multi-million-dollar corporate clients as well as my own websites. So you will be working with me on one-on-one basis. This will actually save you huge frustration and huge time, and time is money, okay. So you really cannot trade time for money, okay. So it's really important that you get, if not me, get someone to help you on one-on-one basis who has actually done it and who's successful online. Second, you will get confidence, because the biggest confidence booster is that you will see us building your business for you in front of your eyes, okay. So you will see that your business is getting live, that will boost up your confidence. Plus you will know how we have done it, that will again boost your confidence, and you will eventually get results. So that will again boost your confidence, okay. So you will have someone to guide you and help you out in every way. So make sure that you grab this coaching program so that you can have all these benefits, okay. And with going all by yourself is really frustrating, and it is impossible to reach your end goal if you don't have a clear direction towards it. You'll have your system ready, and if you have been watching my past videos, you know what the system is. When you have your system created, then all you have to do is test it, scale it up, and keep reinvesting the profits. And when you do this, your business keeps growing, okay, it shoots up. So the biggest hurdle for most of the people is developing the system, and we are there to create your system for you. So make sure that you get started with my coaching program. And the next thing you get is freedom, okay. This is the biggest benefit that you get, because this system is a job killer. If you have this system built in, and once you have tested it and it's working for you, then there is no reason that you will be continuing your job, because this can easily replace your job income. Because once you start scaling up the system, then the sky is the limit. But I'm not guaranteeing you that you will make any money out of this system, because I don't know you. It is completely up to you as to what kind of action you are taking and what kind of work you are doing and what kind of niche you are in, okay. So there's no guarantee as such, because I don't know you personally. And if you really use the system, you work hard, there is no reason that you will not succeed, because I have used this system over and over since last multiple years, and the results have been fabulous for me as well as my clients in multiple niches. So with this, these are the benefits that you'll be getting out of the coaching program. The coaching program is dirt cheap. It is one-on-one help that I'm giving you, and it is super cheap. It is just $97 per month. And you can just click on the order link right below this video and grab the coaching program, or you can send me an email if you have any questions. And regarding the guarantee, there is a 1 month absolutely complete refundable guarantee. Grab the coaching program for 1 month. If for any reason whatsoever you don't like my coaching program, you don't like my training, you don't like my one-on-one Skype consultation which I'm giving you for 2 hours, which you'll be getting immediately, you don't like the content videos or anything you don't like within the coaching program, just shoot me an email within 30 days and I'll refund back to you your $97 and cancel off your subscription. So that's not a big deal. The entire risk is on me. You're operating absolutely risk free, and when you are satisfied, you can continue with the coaching program, and we will make sure you have this entire system built in for you. So it's just $97 per month, and I would advise you that if you're getting started, make sure you grab my one-on-one help. This will make your internet journey super fast. So with this, I'll end up this video, and I wish you all the very best and success, and have a great day. Goodbye.